First up is the V519, the OBD2 diagnostic. Cheapest chips, I think it cost me 20 quid on Temu. Other selling sites are available. It's basically an automotive diagnostic machine, like the cheap ones you can get. This is a cheap one as well, but still. So what you get in the box is you get basically the reader with a quick instruction setup. Obviously your instructions. It's the V519. I'm not going to pause on any of this. It's basically self-explanatory. There, and then you've got the main reader, which comes obviously with your OBD input jack, screen protector on. I always leave that on. Yeah, we'll take it out to the van because I know I got a problem in the van, and I can see if this picks it up. Go from there. Alright, so we're in the van now. I've got the OBD ready. Now my port in a 2008 Vivaro is underneath the steering column. There's a little plastic cover that you just pop off, and then you get your OBD and you plug that in. It'll only go in one way. If I can do this without looking, like that. That then instantly powers the OBD, but then you have to have your ignition on. So if I press that, so it's talking with the vehicle at the moment. Just wait a second for that to go through. So verifies ignition on. Obviously I've done this on purpose to show you. Check if the scan tool is connected clearly. So I'll now switch the ignition on. Press OK to cancel that. And I'll talk with the vehicle. So that now is talking to the van, the ECU or whatever you want to call it. And I should come up with an error code then. So it's showing me that there's no codes found. So if we read the codes, it's telling me that I've got a P0100 mass airflow circuit problem. So I've googled that code and it comes up as the mass airflow sensor. So I'll order one of those up, fit that, and we'll have a look. Now you can use this to cancel. I've got the little coil light on and the engine light. So if you go back to exit and then clear codes, you click on that and it'll ask you then if you want to clear codes, but I'm going to do that once I fitted the new sensor. But if you wanted to, you just click yes, and then that should cancel your codes and your engine light. So there you are. It's only a quick review. It picked up the code, it read the code, and it gave me a little description of what the code was. So if I go back from that, it's easy to use. You can have live data. It's all different things on it. I'm not going to go through it because I'm not a mechanic. But it reads the codes, it tells you what the codes are, gives you a brief description, and you've got somewhere to go from then. So yeah, handy little tool, I think. What do you think, people? Comment below.